To open a Master Lock 5900D portable personal safe, open the protective cover to reveal the unit's dials and release buttons. The safe is preset to initially open at 0000. Push the door release button and the lid should open slightly. Open the lid fully. To set your own combination, choose a new 4-digit number. For example, we'll choose 1, 2, 3, 4. Locate the set lever on the inside of the box. It's above the dials on the left-hand side. Using your finger, a screwdriver, or a similar tool, push the set lever to the right and hold it in place. Now, move the dials to the desired combination. Once your new combination is entered, release the set lever and close the lid. To ensure the combination is set, press the door release button and open the safe. Close the lid, scramble the combination dials to lock the safe and conceal your combination. To reopen the safe, set the dials to your new combination, in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, and push the door release button. Don't forget to store your new combination at masterlockvault.com. Master Lock. Tough under fire.